you ever feel like your face looks flat or lifeless after applying makeup? That's usually because your face is missing the right balance of light and shadow. Without proper contrast, even a flawless base can lack dimension and look dull. This concept basically comes from Douyin makeup guru Kiyomi Xiaojiang. Kiyomi is known for her incredible makeup knowledge, and her account is worth checking out. Today, I'm going to share what I learned from her. I've broken down her entire analysis into 5 key steps to make it easier to understand. If you follow this step-by-step analysis, you can turn your lifeless makeup into something better. Step 1. Understanding light and shadow zones. First, imagine your face is an egg. Focus on the central zone of your features. What we're really doing with makeup is cutting off that dull outer shadow. Now if you go the usual route, foundation, concealer, highlight, brightener, it ends up too thick. Instead, let's start smarter. Use a purple color correcting primer under the eyes, around the nose and mouth corners. Remember these 3 points. This purple base feels like a lightweight skincare serum, melts into the skin, zero cackiness. It gently neutralizes dullness and softens dark circles, making your skin look like its natural best. For yellow-toned skin, a thin layer works beautifully even as a no-makeup cream. Look at this clear before and after. Step 2. Spot, conceal, and brighten. Next, go in with the brightening concealer. It combines coverage and brightening, but blends in with no visible texture. Apply the concealer at these 7 spots. Note that we are highlighting the center of your face. These are the spots that must be brightened. It comes in multiple shades, so for acne marks, you can pick a different color to target each spot. Red pimples, active acne. Use green concealer. Dark pimples / post-acne marks. Use peach or orange concealer. Pimples that are healing or dry use, yellow concealer. Now just a tiny bit of foundation where needed. Don't use too much foundation. Even a little gives the skin a cohesive, polished look. Take a little bit of darker shade foundation. Take off the excess at the back of your hand. Now take the sponge and tap at these areas. Note that this spot of face comes under shadow. Step 3. Detail the contours. Pay attention to the contrast in shadows, especially around the nose. Notice. Her nose shadow is way darker than the sides of the face. Many people miss this contrast, and that's why their nose doesn't pop. Use her light and shadow lines as your guide. Make the nose shadows just a bit deeper and make sure the bridge stays the brightest. For that, use the concealer again. Because once blended, it gives an ultra-bright finish with very little product. It's skin-like but rich in detail. Apply the concealer at the corners of your eyes as well. Quick skip. Eyes and lips. The eye and lip steps are not analyzed in this video, so she fast-forwards through them. This video mainly focuses on the light and shadow phases of the face. Step 4. Glow and balance. Next, use a pearl highlighter on the inner corners of the eyes and the tip of the nose. This adds a little shine to the sides of the face. You can apply the bronzer to the sides of the face. Now you can check your face in black and white mode. If your brightest and darkest zones are both around the nose, you've nailed the contrast. That makes your nose look super 3D. And now your face has a second level of dimension. Step 5. Lock it in with layers. Now draw a V, 2 Vs, 3 Vs, 4 Vs. Always remember these 4 Vs. Finally, finish with a setting powder. This one's a cloud blue shade. Not only is the packaging gorgeous, the powder is ultra fine and gives a slight brightening effect with a velvety puff. That subtle blue tone chases away dullness and adds a third level of dimension to your face. Conclusion. These 5 steps will give your face a more 3-dimensional look and enhance your natural features, without creating a cakey texture. The result? A beautifully contoured, seamless makeup finish.